Manual method of estimation is time consuming with respect to quantities which can only be calculated manually from 2D drawings. Estimax is an auto estimation software which reduces the time for estimation drastically. Now, see how this auto estimation software Estimax works out. First, create a new file from the File menu. Then enter the required details such as the project name, client name, and the percentage of amount to be added for electrification and plumbing. Mark whether the lintels are provided throughout or openings only. Mark whether sunshade is provided throughout or only at windows. And also you are advised to enter the number of floors. And then save the data. So what we've seen here is the main window, which is almost similar to the estimation sheet, where we had the serial number, items, quantities, rate, and the total of the quantity. The rest of the columns are for the formulas and the parameters. Other than these items in estimax, if you want to add more, you can do it by following the story item details from the entries. Mark the item which you want to add and save it. With this, you can see that it has been automatically added to the main window. It can also be removed as in similar manner. Next step is to scan the AutoCAD drawing so that the details can automatically enter. You can follow the scan settings from the File menu. In that, pick the column layer, beam layer, and brick wall layer from the AutoCAD, and by clicking at this button, it will automatically prompt to AutoCAD and pick the appropriate layer from the AutoCAD. Similarly, we can do the joinery details. In that, you must make sure that the notations for the joineries in AutoCAD and on this table should be same and the dimension should be entered. And also you are advised to enter some other default values. In similar manner, you can enter the linter details and then save it. Here we can check how the scanning process is going on. For that, click at the scan button and a small window will appear. In that, there are separate buttons for scanning the architectural and the structural areas. By using the slab area button, we can pick the slab. Here, mark the slab and the outer brick, then click at the slab area button and it will automatically prompt to AutoCAD so that you can pick the slab area in the AutoCAD. Here we are selecting the four corners of the slab from the AutoCAD. Here we are selecting only the slab area where the flat slabs are provided. Then mark only the outer brick option only for scanning the brick under the slope slab. Then transfer it. Scan the architectural drawing by clicking on Scan Arc Drawing button and then scan the architectural drawing from the AutoCAD. You can see the scanning process is going on in the Estimax. Here the center lines are automatically generated in the AutoCAD. If you want to fill it, you can do it. And then scan that structural drawing by clicking on the scan layout drawing and then from the AutoCAD scan the structural area and right click on it. Here you can see the scanning process going on. In the AutoCAD, the scanning process is going on and the center lines are automatically generated. If you want to fill it, you can do it. Thus, the secondary data has been extracted to the Estimax and we can perform the estimation through this. The secondary data are automatically extracting By clicking on the next button, you can see the total brick length, outer length, total beam length and the number of the auto joineries. By transferring these data, the estimated values has been automatically transferred to the main window. You can see the values are automatically transferring to the main windows. For getting the extracted value in the Excel sheet, click on the report button in the main window and then select the stories. You will get the values of the detailed estimate in the MS Excel or OpenOffice by selecting the required one and then clicking on the preview report. You will get the detailed estimate of the project you are doing. Thus, the detailed estimate has been extracted in the Excel format. Here you will get the detailed and abstract estimate also. Thus, the estimax software provides you with a detailed and abstract estimate within minutes. Thank you.